Hi guys, this is Raymond from Tesla Offer. Today we are very proud because in Hong Kong it seems to be the first one we have seen about the new facelifted Model 3 here. So today we will talk about what is changed and what's going on in this car. And this one is actually built in the States. It's not built in China. This is the very first batch, so let's take a look. Let's look at the electric trunk first. So because this is the one that affects our business, but it's fine. So let's try to talk about it. The first thing we notice is very quiet. It's actually very quiet, and it's very similar to the one leak out picture in the internet. Yeah. So let's try to see how it operates. So yeah, the noise level is very good. Yeah, you don't hear any noise at all. And you can see the strut. One side is the electrical strut and one side is the mechanical strut here. And you can see also here they cut they remove the weather stripping in this area, both sides, only this side. In here they still have the weather stripping here, but you can see it's different from the current one. Here is also different. You can see there's a channel here for the water to go out. So I can take a flashlight and show you here. So it's different. It seems quite different from the current Model 3. So, and the opening height is a lot higher too. So yeah, it's an OEM one, so it's very good. So it's very high comparing to our current one. So let's try to close it. So that's basically the closing is also quite good. Not as soft as I expected, but it's still very good. So this is the electric trunk. So let's look at the inside of the car. You can see from the outside of the car, all the chrome pieces, they are becoming matte black, like the Model Y. All these are black now. The next thing we want to show you is the double glass here. As far as from what we see, it's only applied to the front doors. So you can see the double layer here. But on the back, it's just single layer here. Okay, so let's get on the car and look at the center console here. It's quite a refresh here. You can see this is the wireless charging station, and it's filled with Alcantara, which is quite good looking. And here is the compartment inside, so it's become a sliding door. Yeah, like the Model S1. So this looks the same. Yeah. So still like this, and the power socket is here. So let's look in the compartment inside. You can see there's a new LED light here, and the USB port is in the back. So if you're looking from the top, you can see the Type-C is here. The two Type-C port is here, which is quite easy to access, I think. So there's something new about the Sentry motor also. And right now you can have the storage, which is here, and this is the USB thumb drive. Yeah. So this have the Tesla logo on it. On the side of the door, you can see that we have a new logo for the door. I think this is the #1 complaint people have, because they don't know which one is the door button. So now you know which one is the door button, and it's also not piano black anymore, so you don't have any like fingerprint mask here. So this is the button, and here is the steering wheel. This is the only thing that's changed. It became a metal scrolling wheel. So it's a metal one here, and also here. So now let's look at the front. So you can see the front is already refreshed. Like the 2 months ago they already got refreshed, but we found that right now they have the heat pump added into the Model 3. So the heat pump is now included. And for the new front button, it's a better design, because now the button is inside the cavity here, so there's a less likelihood that something will hit the button in the front. So this is a really a better design. So the last thing is the door seal. It becomes a gray color door seal. So this is something that we see is new also. The last thing to cover is the headlight. In a facelift Model 3, we know that the headlight is changed also, but for this one, it's still using the old headlight. We'll share a picture of how the new headlight looks like. But seems like in this car, they haven't updated the headlight yet. So to summarize, the car has a lot of good new features. They have a heat pump, they have an electric trunk, they have double layer glass, and they have a new center console. They don't have the glossy like chrome anymore, and they don't have the glossy piano black which attracts fingerprints anymore. I think the car is quite good. It's really worth the upgrade. But yeah, I don't know how many things can be retrofit. Of course, the handle and the chrome piece, if you can get the new parts, you can do it easily. But for the electric trunk, I don't think it can be retrofitted because you need to change the settings of the car. It will be quite difficult to do it unless it's not a DIY project. So, but yeah, this is the new facelift Model 3. I hope you like the video. Thank you.